What's up, everybody? Tony here with ShredMotoCo. So we're going to do a little demonstration video showing you guys about the shred pegs, what they do, why you need them, and how to put them on. So first we're going to go through the tools that you need. We need a 3/8 drive ratchet, a 1/4 drive ratchet, 7/16 wrench, 1/2 inch, and 9/16. Also a 9/16 socket, 7/16 12-point, and a very important one, a 5/16 12-point socket. 1/4 drive, mind you. So this is how they come when you order a pair, right here. So we already got one put together, but I'm going to show you guys how to put this right side shred peg together. It's very simple. Take the bracket here, foot peg here, boom. I like to get it hand tight, and then you can throw them on the bike and see where you want them. But that's basically it there. We are going to start with the 9/16. We're just going to remove the stock foot peg. Pretty simple. For the purpose of the video, I'm not going to put these in, the spring, just because I don't want to scratch up our display. And so now we take the ARP bolt and nut, which comes in your kit. And this is where your 7/16 12-point and your wrench come in handy. Tighten that up to your factory specs. Now then you can take your 1/4 drive 5/16 and now you can adjust this to wherever you like. Hand tighten it, and then you have some adjustability here, however you like it. Obviously throw some Loctite in there, find out where you like it. I like to have them just flat, a nice flat platform on mine. So tighten those up. Now 1/2 inch wrench to adjust your shifter. And we'll go one spline up. We're going to go over and show you how to do the right side. So now we're over here on the right side, the pipe side. So now that we got the foot pegs on, we adjusted the shifter. We're going to adjust the brake pedal. This is a very important step. You want to make sure you can get your foot on the brake pedal and not be down too far when you need to use the brake. So you go underneath here. This is called the brake rod here. This is the master cylinder for the rear brake. This is the lock nut here. We're going to break that loose, and we're going to adjust this rod here. So it's going to bring our brake pedal up. You need a 7/16 wrench and a 1/2 inch wrench for this step. The brake pedal is now level with the shred peg. Now obviously you get up on the bike, put your foot on the peg, hit the brake, and you're going to want to see how comfortable that is. And if you need it higher up, you adjust it some more. You need it lower, you readjust it. So when you find the right height that you want for your brake pedal, go ahead, grab your wrenches, and then you're going to go ahead and lock down this lock nut here onto the master cylinder, and that'll be it. And once it bottoms out, you just need to snug it. You don't have to tighten that too tight. And this is your installation guide for the shred pegs. Stay shredding.